Quick access toolbar buttons are a good way to save time and have the most frequently used commands a single click away. We can add every command that is contained in the 9 tabs right here in the upper left part of the screen. Let's demonstrate how to do that. I will click on the File tab and select Options. Once I am in the Options menu, I can select Quick Access Toolbar, where I can find all of the commands within PowerPoint. I'll use the drop-down menu, next to which is written Choose Commands From, in order to find the commands that I am looking for. Once I have found a command of interest, it will be added to Quick Access Toolbar by clicking on the Add button. If I would like to remove a command from the Quick Access Toolbar, I will use the Remove button instead. You do not have to perform these operations every time you start a new presentation, as each modification of the Quick Access Toolbar will already be available. Usually, it is very convenient to select the following commands for your Quick Access Toolbar. Align left, align center, align right, align top, align bottom, distribute horizontally, distribute vertically, group. After we add a command to the Quick Access Toolbar, we can use it with a single mouse click. Let me provide an example. I'll add 2 shapes to our slide. We can align these shapes with the Quick Access Toolbar commands that we just added. I'll select the 2 shapes and click on the Align Left button. As you can see, the 2 objects were aligned. Now, I would like to show you a very interesting technique that would allow you to use the Quick Access Toolbar buttons through the keyboard. As we already saw in the lesson, the Alt key activates the PowerPoint ribbon. It also activates the Quick Access Toolbar buttons that we just added. By pressing Alt and one of the numbers that we see in the upper left part of the screen, we will trigger the respective command. Given that the first button in my Quick Access Toolbar is the Align Left command, I can press Alt and 1, and this would align the 2 objects to the left. Note that we are using only 2 keys, Alt and a number. That's perfect, right? Easy to remember and fast to execute. It's up to you whether you decide that you prefer to use the keyboard or click on the Quick Access Toolbar buttons with the mouse. Both methods are fast.